Supplement number 8. Jennifer went to the drugstore. Went to the drugstore. She bought a bottle of aspirin and a bottle of Tylenol. The aspirin cost 1.25 more than the Tylenol. She also bought Cologne, which cost twice as much as the total other two combined. How much did cost if her total without tax was 24.75? Okay, so $24.75. So his total bill in the drugstore without considering the tax is 24.75 dollars. So let's determine how many variables do we have. So we have the bottle of aspirin. So the aspirin, one variable, and the Tylenol, aspirin, that is only a statement in order to formulate our variable equation. She also bought a cologne. So we have three variables, the aspirin, Tylenol, and the cologne. Of course, then let's formulate our variables. So we have three variables to determine. So we start with the let X be our aspirin or Tylenol. Start with the Tylenol. So let X be the cost of Tylenol. Tylenol. So how much the cost later is the unknown since we don't have the exact price, but we have the total bill. Okay, so start with the statement. Aspirin and the bottle of Tylenol. The aspirin cost 1.25 more than the Tylenol. If our Tylenol is X, therefore we have X plus 1.25. That is your, yes, aspirin. Okay, so we have a 1.25 for aspirin, and she also bought a cologne which cost twice as much as the total of the other two. So the Tylenol and the aspirin combine, total of other two combined. Okay, so that is twice the cost. So 2 combine of Tylenol and aspirin, that is X. That will become X plus X, 2X plus 1.25. Since the twice of the aspirin and the Tylenol. Okay, so this is our cologne. That is the cost of the cologne. So summarize, this will become 4x plus 2.5. So that is your cologne. Okay, so let's formulate our equation from the variables. Okay, so the sum is $24.75. So x plus 1.25 plus 4x plus 2.5 is equal to 24.75. Okay, let's rewrite our equation. Okay, let's rewrite our equation. X plus aspirin, x plus 1.25 plus our cologne, which we simplify already, 4x plus 2.5 equal to the sum of the total without tax, 24.75. Okay, let's summarize. We simplify our equation. So combined like terms, all with x, this will become 6x. 24 transpose 1.25 and 2.5 to the other side. That will become 21. So therefore, our x is equal to 3.5. So wait. So 1.25, let's check. Okay. So our x is 3.5. So let's check if our answer is correct. So If X is 3.5, so the cost of our Tylenol is $3.5. How about for aspirin? That is 3.5 plus 1.25. So that is equal to your 475. Yeah, our aspirin is 4.75. So how about our Cologne? That is twice the combine of Tylenol and alcohol. Tylenol and aspirin. So that is 3.5 times 4 plus 2.5. That is equal to 16.5. Let's combine all. Uh, 3.5 plus 4.75 plus 16.5. Total is 24.75 dollars. Okay, so we can safely assume they are equal. The total bills in the drugstore, we can safely assume that the cost of our Tylenol is worth $3.5, our aspirin is $4.75, and for your cologne, that is $16.5. Okay, so let's move to our next supplement problem.